Hello, today we visit Loro Park.
Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Sara and I'm a PhD student at the Max Planck Institute and at the University of Munich. I'm doing my doctorate here in Loro Parque, working mainly with dolphins and parrots. Today we show some training sessions for some experiments that we're doing, and for example during the experiment today we are trying to understand how dolphins use their echolocation or their sonar to discriminate between objects. Dolphins are able to produce high frequency sounds, and when they get the echo back from those sounds, they can form a three-dimensional image of the world around them. They use this sense basically to navigate and to find food. So here in the experiment, we're training the dolphins to wear these suction cups in their eyes to cover them. They're made of gelatin, so that if the dolphins accidentally eat them, it's fine. And then with their eyes covered, we make sure that they're only using their sense of echolocation to discriminate between the objects. And the objects that we're using for this experiment are cylinders. They're made exactly of the same material, but they have different wall thickness. So this one, for example, is 645 millimeters, and this one is 715 millimeters. So the difference between these two cylinders is less than 1 millimeter, but the dolphins are able to actually see the differences using the sense of echolocation. Later on, we will test them with a range of different cylinders that look more and more similar, and we want to see what's the smallest difference that they're going to be able to discriminate using this sense. This is very important because if we don't know how they use their sense of echolocation, we also cannot really understand how human impact can affect these animals in the wild. For this experiment, we're also using a hydrophone so that we record their sounds and we can better see how they're using their sound. And we're also using a camera that is above the pool to see the movement of the head of the dolphin by doing this task. We have also like the data sheets where we're writing exactly which trial, so that it's totally not random, so the dolphin don't know exactly where the cylinder is going to be. These type of experiments are very important because of course it will be impossible to do this type of experiments with dolphins in the wild. They require training and they require the animals to learn. And with them we can really learn more about their behavior, understand their memory abilities, their way of thinking, their sensory abilities. And it's the only way that we can really understand how dolphins are, and we can really create measures that can help them protect them better in the wild.
Now write your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.